Hello Amazons, it's me, and I do have another mystery lot from John, and I also have a few other things which I hope I can squeeze into this video. So let's just start with a few of those other things. I'm still getting birthday presents, so my brother gave me these beautiful blue topaz stud earrings, and I left them in the box. I wanted some earrings like the Duchess of Sussex, so he bought me these. These are in sterling silver, just like hers. So I hope they're coming out clearly. These are 6mm princess cut blue topazes. My sister got me some stuff. So she got me these Ciate nail polish, and it is black and gold. I hope you guys can see the gold flecks. She also got me a Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's a lip liner pencil in like a dark berry color. This really pretty nail polish. Multicolor sequins, very nice. I purchased a ring from Nicole's eBay store. I will link it in the information box below. So this is ruby and emerald. And some of you don't know what I mean when I say I loop the stones. And so what I mean is I get my jeweler's loop out. So I've showed you guys this before. It's a lighted loop and it magnifies stones, which I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but you can see inside, and this one has a light, so I can really get in there and see. So this is what I mean when I say I loop the stones, and you can see hallmarks and all of that good stuff. So this ring is sterling silver, and as always, it's very well made. Nicole sells amazing quality rings. So there it is on the hand. I love these rings. And again, I will link her eBay store below. My sister also bought me some stuff from San Genaro. This year, guys, the pickings weren't too good. They had a lot of junk mixed in with the pendants. So I got this ring, which I probably shouldn't have. It's not worth what they were asking for it, but I got it. And it is Silvertone. But I just thought it was really pretty, even though it's not real. And again, the pendants were slim pickings this year. And you'll see what I mean. It wasn't the best quality. So I got this Agate Slice, which I thought was kind of pretty. And here's a good example. I got this rose quartz, but as you can see, the metal is all faded. Like, it's never been like this. It's like they put out leftover stock from the years before. So it's already worn and faded and kind of gross, but I just wanted the stone. So got that rose quartz. I don't know what this stone is, but I think it's really pretty. So I got this one. And these are always in base metal, but I put them on leather cords, or sometimes I put them on sterling silver chains. So it's good to have them for the stones. I'm not sure what type of stone this is. My guess is moss agate, but I thought it was really pretty. And you can see the difference here. This one is what it's supposed to look like, and this one must be really old. So there's that. Another one that's kind of worn, but I wanted the stone. It looks like a sodalite, and as you can see, the metal's all gross and worn. I don't know what I'm going to do about that yet, but again, at the price, I just got it for the stone. And again, my sister bought me these. I didn't pay for these. I picked up this stone, which is another kind of sodalite. And I found my flashlight. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, there you go. You can see that blue there. Sometimes the flashlight helps, sometimes it doesn't. So, moving along. Now this is aventurine. So a nice hunk of aventurine there. That was nice of my sister to buy that. This agate, which is, I guess they were trying to dye it green, but it didn't take the color, so it's pretty colorless, but pretty. This one did take the color. It's like a see-through green agate. This nice hunk of chrysocolla. Thought that was a good deal. I really had to dig for these. And yeah, it was kind of disappointing. Normally they have a lot of beautiful stuff. And this gorgeous chrysocolla, this one's my favorite. Yeah, usually guys, they have really good pickings at San Genaro. And I went on the first day. They didn't have good pickings this year, so I don't know. The quality's gone down. The prices have gone up. Really, really, really weird. But yeah, look at that one. This is gorgeous. That chrysocolla is gorgeous. And my mother gave me these costume jewelry earrings, so I thought that was really pretty. So yeah, that's the other stuff. Let me move this aside. Normally I would buy some pendants on my own, but again, the pickings were really not good this year. It's really weird. One more other thing to show you guys. I was shopping at Arlington Milline. So this is the little dust bag. I bought this really, really cute suede clutch bag. So there's the little tag, and then it's natural suede, and you lift it up. It's got gold-plated hardware, very cute, nice gold zipper, very, very stylish clutch for my date nights. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So anyway, let's get to the haul from John's store. As always, I do not know what's in it. Let me see if I can get the camera to sit steady. So I have a package here from John's store. Don't know what's in it. This one was supposed to be the 3 variety box. So let's just cut into it. Alrighty, let's see what's in here. There's that box that we all like to see, these new boxes. And again, John has included his business cards. So there are his 3 jewelry stores and his contact information. Nice, fresh, new business cards. Alright, so let's see what's in this box here. Ooh. Oh boy, okay. Let me move that. So this looks like a ring set. Alright, so that's definitely a ring set there. That's pretty. And this one looks like a really pretty little pretzel knot there. And then this one here. Oh wow, cute little diamond accent stack band. Very, very pretty. Let me see. You know what? Hold on one second. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I see a hallmark in here. Not yet. but these are 3 different rings, but maybe they all stack up. So that's cute. And again, I'll use my loop to see what these are later. Then the next pair. Let's see what this is. Oh, now these are nice. These look like a natural gemstone. I bet these are white topaz or something like that. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Those are gorgeous. I don't know what type of metal those are, but those are absolutely beautiful. Then next. Now there were only supposed to be 3 items in here. This was only like 14 bucks. Let's see what these babies look like. Oh, now these look like really pretty CZs. I think I dropped the earring back, so excuse me. Those are beautiful, especially for prom or something. I don't see a hallmark yet, but those are gorgeous. Yeah, I totally dropped the earring back. Then there are these. Now I already have these. These are Silvertone Hoops. So I'll give these pair away. See, these are nice Silvertone Hoops. I actually took these on vacation with me. So I'll give those away. And there's this chain. Yep. Nice little chain. I think it's supposed to be rose gold plated. Let me see. Or maybe I think it's actually tarnished. There's a hallmark right there. Let me see really quick. This is when you get the loop out. So let's see what this says. You guys won't be able to see it, but I will. Okay, so it's Italy 925. You guys probably can't fully see it, but Italy 925. So here we have a sterling silver chain. It's just a little tarnished, but that's really pretty. And then the last thing in here is another chain, and this one is also stamped. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but there's the hallmark there. Yeah, you guys probably won't be able to see that, but yeah, so that's at least 2 pieces of sterling silver in a box that was 14 bucks. So look at that, some really nice pendant chains. And let me take this off. So we have 2 pendant chains. We have some Silvertone hoops. Some really pretty CZ earrings that I dropped the back to one of them. Beautiful. We have some beautiful little lever backs that appear to be genuine gemstone. These are definitely some sort of quartz or topaz. And last but not least, we have a really pretty ring set. And again, I don't know what these are because I have not looked at them yet. This one appears to be genuine. So pretty cool. John is amazing. And he does watch these videos, guys. If you do videos about his store, just let him know and he'll watch. So yeah, and then let me give you a close-up of Nicole's ring from Nicole's eBay store. Hi Nicole, if you're watching. This ring is also sterling silver. And then I'll give you a close-up of the costume ring that I got from San Genaro. It's got little hearts and stuff on it. So I thought that was really cute. My sister treated. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm working on a different kind of a video, something that's different for me, but I'm waiting on a piece of equipment. So I hope you guys enjoy it when the time comes. But I'll keep you all posted. I hope you have a wonderful night. And take care, Glamazons. Oh, and if you're curious, this is my Duchess of Sussex replica ring that I got from JTV that I really, really, really like. But anyway, that's enough of that. Have a great night, Glamazons. Bye.